Hello, dear students. I think you might have seen this topic yesterday on the dated 4 August. This topic is pronouns. As in our syllabus, this topic has been given to read. In our syllabus, before pronouns we have to read adjectives, but I thought pronouns, the chapter pronouns should be read before adjective. So I liked to teach you this chapter before adjective. Pronoun, you might have heard the name of pronouns: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. As you know, all these are called parts of speech. After noun, we read pronouns. Pronouns, pronoun, pro plus noun. Pro means instead of. Pro means instead of, in the place of. प्रो मीन्स, प्रो का अर्थ होता है के बदले. प्रोनाउन मीन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ ए नाउन, इन प्लेस ऑफ ए नाउन, नाउन के बदले जो आता है. ए प्रोनाउन इज ए वर्ड यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ ए नाउन. प्रोनाउन एक ऐसा शब्द है जो नाउन के बदले आता है, जो नाउन के बजाय आता है. इट मीन्स we restrain from the repetition of noun. We would not like to hear or to read the repetition of noun. So to be safe from the repetition of noun, pronoun is used. प्रोनाउन का प्रयोग नाउन के बार बार के प्रयोग के आने से बचने के लिए होता है. Here you find in the example, Mukul is a student. Mukul is a student. Next sentence, he is a good student. Here you find he is underlined because here he is a pronoun and it is used instead of Mukul, in place of Mukul. Mukul is a good student. If we say Mukul is a student, Mukul is a good student, Mukul is my brother, then it would be not good thing to repeat the noun repeatedly. So here only noun Mukul is used. Mukul is a student, and after then in place of noun pronoun is used. He is a good student. He is my brother. Kinds of pronouns, सर्वनाम के भेद. Pronoun in Hindi is called सर्वनाम. According to the action and meaning, कार्य एवं अर्थ के अनुसार देयर आर 7 काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. 7 प्रकार के प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम, एज आई, वी, यू, शी, ही, दे. ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आई, वी, यू, शी, ही, दे आर यूज्ड फॉर पर्सन. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड व्यक्ति पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. सेकेंड, डिमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, संकेतवाचक सर्वनाम. Sometimes noun is also demonstrated, संकेत किया जाता है, निर्देशित करने के लिए. These, that, these, those, such, so, etc. As we say, this is a book. There, this is man. This is notebook. That is a boy. These are students. Those are students. Such is a story. This is so. As these, that, these, those, such, so, etc. Next, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is also used in place of noun, but these interrogative words are used in the place of noun word. As we say, who is that? वह कौन है? Who refers to the noun, but this who is used in place of noun. As, which, what, so. Relative pronoun संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. Relative why, which, what, that, etc. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronoun. Hey. 2-3 minutes. Reflexive pronoun कर्तृवाचक सर्वनाम. Myself, himself, themselves, ourself, herself, etc. Indefinite pronoun बैठा ना बीजा. Indefinite pronoun अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. As, one, none, any, some, another, etc. Distributive pronoun विभाजनवाचक सर्वनाम. Each, either, neither. We have none about the kinds of pronouns briefly, or tomorrow we shall read details about all these kinds. Thank you.